What's the meaning of boric acid? Boric acid. Boric acid.
Boric acid. Boric acid. Boric acid is a type of chemical compound that is often used in antiseptics and insecticides. It is also used in the production of glass, ceramics, and other materials. When boric acid is applied to an insect, it can cause dehydration and disrupt the insect's nervous system, resulting in its death. In humans, ingesting large amounts of boric acid can be toxic and cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. However, when used in small doses, boric acid has been found to be relatively safe and effective as an antiseptic and insecticide.